Let's take a deep breath. Staying open these days opens up a lot of questions about health. Like, how good is the quality of your air? We've witnessed COVID-19 and the economic impact of shutting down indoor facilities in all industries, businesses, and organizations. Are you confident that your building can safely remain open during these times? There's also other impurities to worry about: viruses, mold spores, VOCs, allergens, gaseous chemicals, and other odors. Are you sure your patrons and staff are breathing clean air? Is your indoor air safe? Now let's breathe out. We have a clean air solution that's safe and can also save you energy. It's called IAQ-cpr. IAQ-cpr, or Indoor Air Quality Cold Plasma Regulation. IAQ-cpr cleans the air by introducing negatively and positively charged ions through your building's HVAC system. The ions travel out through the vents and are attracted to particles, pathogens, and gas molecules. The ions rob pathogens of life-sustaining hydrogen, rendering them unable to replicate, resulting in safer and cleaner air. All the air impurities from COVID-19, viruses, mold spores, VOCs, allergens, and gaseous chemicals are rendered harmless, or, through agglomeration, are captured in your air filter. What's unique about IAQ-cpr is that it regulates how many negative ions and positive ions are being produced. Finally, an ion-generating solution that can be measured and verified. Having an ion count in a ratio of 2 negative to 1 positive is optimal. Having an abundance of negative ions promotes the good feeling equivalent to the amount of ions naturally produced by a waterfall. Elevated negative air ion levels are believed to have beneficial effects on humans, including enhanced relaxation, reduced tiredness, less stress levels, and antidepressant. An abundance of positive ions promotes bad feelings along with health dangers. Current air filtration ionization technologies can cause an ion imbalance of up to a 15-to-1 ratio, resulting in saturating the air with unhealthy hydroxyl radicals, potentially causing long-term histamine inhibition and tissue damage. The IAQ-cpr regulates the correct ratio of ions in the air. Most forms of indoor air pollution, electronic fields from technical devices, toxic chemicals, pollen, mold, pet dander, and other harmful chemicals in the air host positive ions. The downside of absorbing too many positive ions includes higher inflammation levels, mood swings, chronic pain, depression, anxiety, allergies, and more. The controller integrates with your building or facility's existing building management system and can connect right into your BACnet or building automation system. Occupancy, temperature, humidity, and airflow all impact indoor air quality, and IAQ-cpr can take all of this into account as it adjusts ionization production to meet the current needs of any space it protects. The IAQ-cpr also breaks down VOCs and destroys odors, leaving the indoor air smelling fresh and clean. And the IAQ-cpr is safe for all indoor applications and all occupants because it doesn't create ozone. Now let's not forget about energy savings. The IAQ-cpr purifies and recirculates the indoor air, keeping out the dirty outdoor air. And since it's using less outside air to operate, your HVAC would be using less energy to heat or cool your building. During the winters and summers when heating-cooling demand is at its highest, there's a potential of huge energy savings up to 30% with the IAQ-cpr. Keep your facility open and indoor air safe with IAQ-cpr, the smart clean air solution. Find out how your building can get an IAQ-cpr installed and maintained without any upfront investment or debt using our Clean Air as a Service program with capital provided by Onsite Utility Services Capital.